Bybit is one of the fastest growing crypto exchanges with a wide range of advanced trading tools. Only having been launched for less than a year, it's already had more than 2 million users. If you are a new trader and interested in this exchange, this video is for you. Today I will show you a detailed instruction on how to get the 2022 sign-up bonus on this exchange and how you can sign up and verify yourself to trade. Let's go! So first, go to the description box below and you can see the register link to Bybit. By using this link to sign up, you can enjoy a $1,000 bonus and another $500 bonus in USDT, together with 20% of all trading fees here on Bybit. So from here, click on sign up. And then here, fill in your email and password of your choice. So you can see here that the password has to have at least 8 characters with 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, and 1 number. For the referral ID, by using the link I mentioned earlier, you can see that the code has already been entered here. If not, just go to our description box to get it. After you're done, just click on continue. So there are some countries here that Bybit does not support regarding to their policies. That means users who live in these countries cannot open a Bybit account. So make sure to check carefully, and if you are not from these countries, just click on no here. After that, you will be asked to do this sliding puzzle and then verify your email. So a code will be sent to your registered email earlier. You only have to open your email, copy and paste the code back here. So in case you can see the email from Bybit, make sure to check your spam folder. After you have pasted the code, you have been signed up successfully on Bybit. Now let's move on to turning on your 2FA or two-factor authenticator. First, go to the account icon here and choose Account and Security. So 2FA is a security method on Bybit as well as many other exchanges to keep your account and all your transactions secure. So from here, just scroll down and you can see the two-factor authentication tab here, including email verification, SMS authentication, and Google two-factor. So let's start with SMS. First, click on setting here, then choose your country and fill in your phone number. For email verification, click on send code here, and then again just open your email and you will see an email from Bybit with the verification code. Just copy and paste the code back here. And then click on confirm. So now you will have to verify your phone number. Click on send code and the code will be sent to your phone. Just copy and paste it back here. In some cases, you will receive a phone call with a verification code transmitted within the call. So make sure to listen to the code carefully and enter it in the boxes on the page. And then click on confirm. After that, you have to log in again. If you want to have more bonuses or to learn more about crypto, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to CoinF Master. Turn on the notification bell to always see our newest video. Now let's continue to turn on your Google Authenticator. Again, from the home page, go to Account and then choose Account and Security. Scroll down and you can see your SMS authentication is on. For Google two-factor, just click on Setting here and then confirm your email again like this. Then you can see the instruction from Bybit on how to activate Google Authentication for your account here. Now what you need to do is to download the app on your phone. As you can see here on my phone, I have the Google Authenticator app like this. So from here, just open the app and on the bottom corner here, just click on the plus sign. And choose scan a QR code, then you will have to scan the code on your computer screen. Then you can see your Bybit account has been added on the app here. Below is a 6-digit code running with a timer. Now what you need to do is to enter this code into the boxes on Bybit page before the timer runs out. Otherwise, the code will be expired and a new code will appear. So I will go ahead and enter this code here. Then click on confirm and log into your Bybit account again. But this time using the Google Authenticator code on your phone app. And that's it. You can see here that all of my authentication has been turned on successfully. Now I can do my identity verification. So this step is to log the referral code that I used earlier, and also to be able to trade, deposit, and withdraw on Bybit. So here just scroll up and you can see the identification tab here. Completing KYC can help you raise your daily withdrawal limit. So click on verify now. Then you will see there are two levels of verification on Bybit. The level 1 verification will require you to provide your nationality, name and ID number, as well as your face verification. And for this level, you can withdraw up to 50 Bitcoins a day. Level 2 requires your address and you can withdraw up to 100 Bitcoins a day after completing it. So now on level 1, click on verify now. Choose your nationality here and click on next. Then choose your country, and for the ID document verification, you can choose either your passport, ID card or residence permit to submit and verify. And then after that, you will have to upload a picture of your front ID document and another one for your back document. Then just click on next. For the facial recognition, you will have to use your webcam to show your face to Bybit. So unfortunately, Bybit does not support doing this step on your phone or any other device. So make sure that you have your webcam ready. Then just simply do whatever they ask you to do and then you're done. When you arrive at this page, you can choose to edit your ID document if you want to by clicking on edit here. Otherwise, just click on next. Now all you have to do is to wait for the reviewing process, and this should take only about a few minutes up to a few hours on working days. So just be patient, and when your KYC is successful, you will be notified to your email. After that, you can go ahead and do your level 2 KYC. Easy, right? If you are looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto exchange, check out the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master because it's free. And turn on the notification bell because we have so much more crypto bonuses that we cannot wait to share with you. Goodbye for now and see you in the next video.